Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit a dark and static Instagram reels and TikTok videos using CapCut. So you can add your videos to CapCut and follow the setting. Just go to adjust. So for the brightness, lower it into -40. Then contrast, lower it into -15. The exposure, lower it into -50, and add some sharpen up to 20. Then click on HSL and lower the saturations of the color that you have in the video. Okay, you can lower it to -20, around 25. Okay, and then after that click on the grabs and then do it like this. Okay, then after that go back, add some highlight to 15, then lower the shadow into -15. Okay, so you'll have that aesthetic Instagram reels or TikTok videos. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.